In this video, I'll guide you through how to switch between your calendar and tasks in Google Calendar, whether you're trying to focus on your schedule, your to-do list, or both at the same time. Understanding how to toggle these views will help you stay much more organized and in control of your day. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. Once you're signed in, you'll see the main Google Calendar interface with your calendar in the center and a sidebar on the left. On that left-hand side, look for the section labeled My Calendars. This area controls which calendars and lists are visible on your main screen. It usually appears just below a small monthly calendar view. You might need to click a tiny arrow or caret icon to expand it if it's collapsed. Within this My Calendars section, you'll see different items listed. These can include your main calendar, any additional calendars you've created, shared calendars, and importantly, a calendar called Tasks or something similar. In some cases, you might also see other specific calendars, like a sample calendar or additional calendars you've subscribed to. To switch what you see in the main view, you don't have to leave the page or go into any complex settings. Instead, you simply toggle each item on or off using the small colored checkbox or colored dot next to its name. When the box or dot is filled in, that calendar or list is active and visible. When it's empty, that calendar or list is hidden from view. So, if you want to focus on your tasks, find the entry labeled Tasks under My Calendars. Click the colored box or dot next to it to enable it. As soon as you do, your tasks will appear on the calendar, usually aligned with dates rather than specific times, depending on how you've set them up in Google Tasks. If you have a specific sample calendar or another calendar that you use for events, you can enable that in the same way. Click the box next to the sample calendar to turn it on. Events from that calendar will now be displayed alongside your tasks, so you can see everything in one place. To switch between focusing on just your calendar events or just your tasks, simply toggle these options. For example, if you want to see only your tasks, enable the tasks calendar and disable your other calendars by clicking their checkboxes to turn them off. If you'd rather see only your events and hide tasks for the moment, turn off the tasks calendar and leave your main calendar turned on. You can mix and match as needed. This flexibility lets you customize your view depending on what you're working on. If your screen ever feels cluttered, remember you can always hide a calendar temporarily without deleting anything. Your data stays safe. You're only changing what's visible. That's all there is to it. By using the My Calendars section on the left and toggling the sample calendar or tasks on and off, you can quickly switch between your calendar view and your task list in Google Calendar and tailor the display to match exactly what you need to focus on at any moment.